Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to debug your code using Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you have written a code of Python or any language and you're facing the issue that your code has errors. So let's see how can you easily debug that using your Claude AI. So just have to simply go to your browser if you're in a PC and here just simply go to Claude AI. You just have to make sure that you're logged in or signed into your Claude AI. Now, once you are here, the very first thing you just have to write a prompt. You don't try to only say that debug this code or something like that. It is more simplify. So if you use a simple line like debug this code, so it will not work as well as you want. You just have to enter a complete detailed prompt. You have to tell your issue or the error in that code and your prompt. So once you have defined the error, once you have specified your error, your Claude AI will only check those errors. So let's see how can you do that. I have a simple smart prompt for this. So I'm going to pasting my prompt here. So here you can see I'm getting a type error. It's the error specifier. It's the type of error. When running this Python script, here's you can see it's the Python script. So you have to enter your error and then your script name. It might be Python script or any other language script. Then you have to enter. Here's the complete traceback and relevant code. So it will show that you have uploaded your code here. So if you have a PDF file of your code, you can also click on this plus icon, click on add files or photos, and just select your PDF file, your document file, or the file you have. And then explain the root cause, show the minimal fix. It will give you the fix and find out any related issues that could cause future bugs. So if you have written this line, it will point out any related issues that could cause future bugs. So if there will be any bug else or any error, it will also fix that. So you just have to write a simple code like that and then paste or add your script and then click on the submit option. Or if you are facing a logical type error, like your script is running and executing without any error, but the answer or the outputs are incorrect, so you can use something like this. You can see that the script executes without error. Your script will execute without showing you error, but the results are incorrect. So it might be a logical error. So here's the code and sample input, expected output and actual output. Walk through the logic step by step and identify where it goes wrong. Once you have write a this type prompt, you just have to add your file or your script here. Once you have done, just click on the submit option and it will fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily use Claude AI to fix or to debug your scripts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.